Get your 3 servings of dairy a day. The Nevada Dairy Council.
Physically, we assess the properties every 5 years. We're mandated by the NRS. But every year that you're not in a reappraisal area, the state gives us a factor that we bring across the board for everyone. Okay, so your assessed values can fluctuate every single year.
All right, and there is a cap on how much they can fluctuate?
The tax cap is based on the tax dollar. It can only go up 3% from the previous year, and that's on your tax dollar itself.
Tell me about some of the misunderstandings on what's going on with the Pahrump town tax right now.
Okay, well, it was stated in the newspaper that the Pahrump town tax was going to be decreased from I believe it was 4795 to 4415, which is just a portion of the taxes that the taxpayers pay in Nye County, and it was stated that on $100,000 assessed value that your tax for the town of Pahrump would be $455 and some change. But it was taken by taxpayers as that's what they were going to be paying on an assessed value. And that's not a correct statement, because there are more factors that come into your taxes than just the town of Pahrump. And if you look at your tax bill and all of those entities where you pay county general, road, the town of Pahrump, the library, museum, anything that's on there, that makes up all of your tax.
Yeah, so people need to understand, don't just calculate the 479.50. You actually have to take into account all these other taxes. And it also fluctuates in the state, right? Every single year, like you were just talking about.
Correct, yes. The state sets the tax rate. The county sends in what they need, and they, calculate the tax rate. And then we usually get the tax rate like the 25th of June. So we don't know what it is until almost tax time. Wow. So, we put it in. I believe the cap this year is at 2.6. Like I said, it can go up to 3%. Last year it was 0.02. So we didn't see a big influx in tax dollars. So this year we probably will see a little bit of a jump in taxes. But again, we don't do taxes, we do assessment. But just by looking at figures, that's what we're looking at. We're going to see an influx in that. We just wanted to set the record straight so that taxpayers understand that in July, I don't want them coming in here and rushing us and calling and saying, wait a minute, this was in the newspaper that I'm only going to pay this amount of money. We just wanted to set the record straight and so that taxpayers understand how it works.
All right. For more information, they can give you a call.
775-751-7060.